come from the grimy. My mama died when I was 4 years old. I was shy and introverted. I used to get bullied at home. I used to get bullied away from home. So if you've never walked a mile in my moccasins, then you never can feel my pain. You'll never understand what I went through. But I did overcome all of that. So I need you to pardon me if I refuse to ever let you beat me. Pardon me if I refuse to ever quit. Pardon me if I refuse to ever give up. Because you don't know what I went through in my life. But I know it made me tougher. I know it made me stronger. I know it made me relentless. So if you do 100, I'ma do 200. If you do 400, I'ma do 800. Like the great Muhammad Ali said, I don't even start counting until it hurts. I subscribe to the thought process of Will Smith. He said, if we get on a treadmill together and we in a competition, either you're getting out first or I'ma die, because you will not outwork me. I know where you come from. I seen your type, but you don't understand. The hood made me, the hood raised me. My mama died when I was 4 years old, so I live for her. And every ounce of my soul, every ounce of my being, that's my why. So if you really wanna know why, if we get into a tussle, if we get into a battle, if we get into a contest, and it's me versus you, you will not outwork me. My mindset is to never be outworked. I know you want it bad, but I believe in my heart of hearts, it's impossible for you to want it more than me. My question for you is, do you feel the same way? Do you feel like no one will ever outwork you? Because you won't always be the most talented, but you can always have the most heart. You can always have the most will. You can always be the most competitive. You can make them say, oh, I don't want to fool with him. Oh, I don't want to fool with her. They just make me go too hard. Push, push, push yourself to greatness. Don't limit your beliefs. Don't limit your thought process. You push past the limits, and you outwork, you outgrind, you outgive, and you outhustle each and every one you come in contact with. Success is yours for the taking, but you have to live by the mindset of never, ever, ever, ever being outworked. That's the thought process I live by. See, I'm that rose that grew up from the concrete. They thought I would never amount to anything. They told me I wouldn't never see 30. What are they telling you? That's your fuel. That's your reason. That's your purpose. That's your why. I want you to ignite a flame. Let that flame push you. Turn that flame into fuel that you will use to drive yourself to your destination of next level. Never be outworked. Your time is now. If it's you versus them, you look them dead in the eye and say, it's either me or you. It's either us or them. And unfortunately you, and unfortunately them, will never, ever, ever outwork me, will never, ever, ever outwork us. So your silver spoon of privilege won't help you in this battle. I will never be outworked. This is a great day to win. I heard a wise person say, water does not cut through rock with strength only. It does so by being relentlessly persistent. So you gotta crave success so intensely. You gotta want it so bad that all the hard work, all the blood, sweat, and tears that are required to achieve it become irrelevant. Nothing will stop you. nothing will get in your way. You gotta be relentless. And then, and only then, will you break through. You gotta stand up tall. You gotta let life know you will not be broken. You tired of being picked on by life, because life will continue to kick and kick and kick until you stand up for yourself. I'm trying to figure out, are you fight or flight? Because those that are champions, those that are winners, those that achieve at a high level, they are relentless in their pursuit of their goals and their dreams and their aspirations. What are you? You man or mouse? You woman or mouse? Are you gonna pick yourself up? Are you gonna be relentless in your pursuit of your happiness? Are you gonna be relentless in your pursuit of your dreams? Are you gonna be relentless in your pursuit of your goals? See, it's not about luck. It's about hard work and a relentless drive for constant progress. See, success doesn't happen by accident. Success happens by acts of grind. Success happens by acts of you getting off your hind parts and giving every ounce of your soul, every ounce of your being. Success happens when you push yourself to be greater today than you were yesterday. Success happens by acts of you pushing yourself to greatness. Are you not sick and tired of losing? Are you not sick and tired of coming up short? Are you not sick and tired of being on the short end of the stick? Are you not sick and tired of getting punched in your face by life and you just giving in and caving in? It's time for you to stand up again and be relentless in every aspect of your life. You gotta be a relentless learner. You gotta be a relentless doer. And when the haters and the doubters and the naysayers try to stop you, you power through, you push through, and you say, no, not today. Because you like that little engine that could. No, you bigger than that. You stronger than that. You like a locomotive, and you climbing that mountain, you climbing that hill, and you won't stop until you reach the tip top, because you're relentless. You got more drive, you got more heart, you got more passion than the next man, than the next woman, and you refuse to lose. From this day forward, you gotta be relentless in everything you do. You gotta be relentless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. This is a great day to win.